Hello, good morning. This is Jessa, and right now I will be showing to you how to create a table, chart, and graph using Microsoft Excel. So for the data set that I will be using, since I am currently affiliated in petroleum industry, so I guess that is where my data set will revolve. And since this is a tutorial video, I want to have a data set that is short and simple for easy understanding and presentation purposes. So let's start. Okay, so as you can see here, I have already opened a Microsoft Excel. And let's say that I want to have a sales analysis on all the products that we sell, namely premium, regular, and diesel. I want to see how do they perform every month for the entire year. So that's where our data set will be based from. So the first thing that I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna fill in this with white color just to make it visually clear, since later on we will be having lots of graphical presentation. So to make it more organized, I'm just gonna highlight it with white. Anyway, going back. Of course, before we proceed with charts and graphs and all other graphical presentation, it's important that we will have, or we will establish a table wherein our data and information will be encoded. So since it's a sales analysis on in all of the months, what I'm gonna do is, of course, I'll create a table on that. So first one is I'm gonna title it with sales performance and write down all the months. So here's January, and I'm just gonna drag it down until December. And of course, we're gonna input the products that we're gonna have, regular and diesel. And of course, the total of each product. So, para dili ta malibog, we're gonna line it with a border color. And then merge this to make it more centered. Okay, here we already have a template table, and I have already set here a data figure. I'm just gonna copy it and paste it here. Okay, so here's the table. We do have now a table that we were gonna use for the charts and graphs. So in Excel, there are a lot of things that we can do here. A lot of ways that we can create a graphical presentation. But what I'm gonna share with you is based on my knowledge, and I guess this is just a basic one. So let's have that one. Okay. So I want a chart that will show to me all the performance of all the products in all months. So what I'm gonna do first is highlight all the data that I want to see in the chart. So I'm gonna highlight it all. And now I'm gonna select the insert. And here, there's actually a portion here where you can see all the charts available for you to use. And there's recommended charts. Excel actually recommend whatever chart that is suitable for the data that you selected. But right now, I'm eyeing on having a bar chart. So here, Excel also offered a lot of design, but I'm gonna stick with the basic one, the classic one. So here, we already have a chart. And let's rename it sales performance. Okay. So it's just, when you have a chart, it's just so easy to analyze everything, because comparing it to the table, when you analyze certain numbers with a lot of figures, it tends to be so confusing and so difficult, but comparing it with chart, I think we can now see which of the product has high performance during month of January, February until December. So going back, what if I want to see only the specific category? For example, premium. I just want to see the performance of premium. So what I'm gonna do is again select the data that you wanna see. So that's just a golden rule here. Alright, so select and then insert again, and then for now I'm gonna use a line graph. So here I already have a line graph. So that's just so easy. How about regular premium? Just do the same one. Highlight the information that you want, then boom. It will create another graphical presentation. So what if I want to see the performance of each product for the entire year? I just want to compare the three of them against of their sales performance. So with that, it would be appropriate to use a pie chart now, because in all of the sales, which products contribute a lot, which product contribute less, so something like that. So to create a pie chart, so we're just gonna highlight again the data that we want to see, and then here we have pie chart. So we can just click that one, then you have now pie chart. But there's a lot of design here where you can choose from, and I'm gonna have this sales performance. Okay, and we have now a lot of charts here. Okay, all right, so that's it. That's actually an easy one, right? So you can explore more Excel. So again, this is just a basic one, and there are a lot of things that you can do here. So explore and explore. So in a way, I've already shown to you the basic ways how to create a table, the chart and graph. So I guess that's it for today, and thank you for watching.